So in this demonstration we'll show how change requests can be simplified and automated in the process. We have a simple change request package Word form that simply summarizes its priority, due date, and items that are included in the package for the next software release. Usually, if you do this with Word, you need to guide and have some guidance and documentation for people how to enter the things to the change request, although the information is relatively simple. So let's see how this one turns out to be when we use a semantical information model to fill the same data. I'll open the XML file, the schema based as the ADM does do its thing for the same information, and for the demonstrational purposes I'll go and modify the due date. This was when I last time recorded some demonstration about this. Let's do it for today, and then insert video demo. Select it's a new functionality, example description. Notice that this is much easier to guide for new people because they only have the fields to enter that are supposed to be entered, and they really cannot enter in any improper way. Let's do this critical. For instance, they cannot have any value that's not in the list. And then I save the documentation here and close the info path. Just for those who are not familiar with the ADM deals with the very standard format of data, basing it on XML schemas and XML documents, so it's easy to understand from newcomers. So running the automation format for this, and let's go back to the Word documentation and see the changes. So now the priority is changed, date is changed, and the new video demo item is also added to the change request package. It's much easier to enter the data when you only required to enter it in a form that speaks your language, and you don't have to try understand how other people need it to be delivered. As long as it's semantically defined, it can be automatically refined to proper form. Thanks for watching.